Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera and I'm the crazy cat lady. And happy pre-Halloween. So we're only a couple days out until Halloween. I got my nails done and I have another Halloween part 2 haul slash some treat stuff that I showed you in my other vlog, and I just got these today, so I'm going to show you what I got. So this is what I got for my Halloween haul. I purchased this cute mug. It says trick or treat mug, and I got this in Marshall's and it was on sale for $4. Really cute mug. So I'm gonna wash this up and have my coffee. Really cute. I love that. Really adorable. And my cats are, he's getting nosy. Hello everyone. All right. So, I am back on track. I was trying to organize my stuff. I got this also. This was on sale. It was normally $24.99. These crawling zombies. So, let's see what's inside of this thing. Oh, I should have pre-opened this up. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Oh, okay, it's like a foam guy. Okay, well, I'm not going to really take them all out, but it's foam and it has hair. Because I'm not going to probably be able to use this year because of the rain. So, basically it's foam and it has the back head, and oh, okay, and it looks like he has blood. Okay, he's folded up, see, and you can unfold him, so he looks like he has blood, and then, you know, he's very flexible, so that's pretty easy. I'm gonna put him in carefully because I don't want to ruin him. I want to have him for next year. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's another thing I got. I wanted to use them this year, but it's kind of raining. I'm hoping it don't ruin Halloween. I hope it stops raining. I also got these. These are part of the treat area. I got these cute necklaces, and I got these cute pails to give out to the trick-or-treaters, and I also have bags coming. Hopefully they'll come tomorrow. I got those different kinds. I have stickers in the boxes, and I have pads to give out, and that's for my add-ons to the treat bin. Okay, put this over here. Nope, Shelby, don't. No, Shelby. He's on my bag. Okay, and I have these cool Shelby. Sorry about that. These cool portraits. And these are changing portraits. Look at. These are so freaky. I got that one. I got this one. I might go ahead and put that zombie on my wall, or, you know, like something in the house, so I'll show you what it looks like. Trying to think of how does this change? Oh my God, look at that. I don't know if you could see it. That's freaky. And then this looks freaky. So I got that. And this is not per se Halloweeny, but I got this beautiful wreath to put on my door. So I want to put that on there. I got a Furry Spider, which I love these things. I'm going to put it up. Furry Spider. He has little beady eyes. And he poses. Really, really cute. I got this at the very beginning in September at Michael's. Really, really cute. And I got those portraits at Michael's too. And I also have all of these cute ribbons to tie the bags, if the ones I do give out as bags for the trick-or-treaters. And a pair of scissors. So that's all I've got for my Halloween part 2 haul. Like I said, I didn't really want to tear this climbing dead zombie guy out because I'm not sure if I'm going to use him or not, but if I do put him up, I will show you that. But it's pretty, it's foam, and it looks like it's going to climb your house. Just pray that it doesn't rain tomorrow, because if it don't rain tomorrow, I can put it up, and then I can show you how it looks. So, anyways, I welcome you all. You know, thank you all for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and so you know my future uploads are coming up. And hit that like button. Hit the like button and smash the like button so YouTube knows I'm doing an awesome job. And have an awesome night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you all. Happy pre-Halloween.